Hello all, welcome to the Capstone project which I have created for IUCE courses on online teaching. Myself, I am Dr.R. Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Tyagaraja College of Engineering, and my mail ID is rdsit@tce.edu. So under this project, I am just going to give you a walkaway into the learning management system which I have used throughout my online teaching, that is a Moodle. This is my Moodle dashboard, and I have created 3 courses for my online teaching, and this is just to show you what I have did in my online teaching. The first one is 18 CSPL0. The course name is called Cloud Computing. And before starting my class, what I did is I've just given a course overview. That is here I just, because since in the pandemic situations we have to take a class in online, and hence what are all the do's and don'ts the student has to do, and what kind of LMS that I'm going to do, and how to access that LMS. A small orientation is being done to the students for making them comfortable to listen my class. So this is the first thing I have did, and I have used a Google Meet link for providing those instructions, and afterwards I have just posted those recordings in the announcement. And afterwards I've just shown the syllabus copy of my course, which has a course outcomes and its weightage, and we are following a conceive, design, implement curriculum framework, which is a new product based framework that we are following in our institution. And hence how does that each course outcome and in what level the cognitive is being met for each course outcome, affective domain and psychomotor domain. So these 3 domain, how it is being reflected in each the course outcome, that is what is given in the syllabus. And afterwards in the syllabus itself I have mentioned all the COs and POs along with its marking, and then assessment pattern was disclosed to them. And how does the psychomotor, in psychomotor what kind of under which level the project is being given for them, everything is mentioned, and the detailed concept mapping is given in the syllabus, and then the syllabus and learning resources. And so first thing, I have just given all the syllabus content to my course, and after giving all the content and then I have posted the course plan. That is what kind of content delivery method that I am going to use for each the module, and what the resource and tools I am going to use for that, and do I have given any active learning strategy for any kind of module. That also been disclosed, and it is posted to the students in the announcement part. So after doing all those things, now each of my Google Meet link or meeting link, I'll be posted those in my announcement section. So this is what the announcement section. So here as you can see there, in each of the day, I'll be posting all the Google Meet link. So here I'm using the 3 kind of meeting links. One is a Google Meet, another one is Jitsi, and another one is Big Blue Button. So these are all the meeting links for these 3 virtual classrooms, and if I have any announcements, I'll be announcing that in a page. For example, if I'm posting any flipped classroom, the instructions for the flipped classroom is given here, and these are all the first module of the course. So under the first module, I'm just giving all the course materials. So these are all some of the course materials of that courses, and I just follow the strategy that after taking a class, I'll be posting all the course materials inside this, and then once after in the meeting, once after giving all the lectures, and I used to do a recording, and then I'll post those recording in the course. Why? Because if any of the students is facing network issues or bandwidth issues, if he could not able to connect in the meeting, so that he can see the recordings in offline. So that's purpose I'm just doing. And here for a flipped mode, I'm just using the lesson activity in the model. I'll just show you what the lesson activities looks. See, this is what the lesson activity is of. I'm just posting all the contents, and once after giving the content I'll be giving a question, and afterward a content and then question, content and then question and the content. So this is what I have managed all my lesson plans, and based on the lesson plans I've created this lesson activity. I'll just show you the preview of it. This is what the first content. This content I have just recorded my videos using the Teaching-Capstone, and after showing a recording I'll be posting a question here. So when the question part is over, so I'll just show you here. So once after watching the video, and then I have to attend the question, and once if I have correctly given a response, then I'll allow to watch the next video. So this is what the strategy I just followed, and I've recorded all my videos here, and afterwards I have just posted a quiz, and assignment is also being posted, and at the end of each module I have just given a discussions. So discussions here I have just about this module I have taken one criteria, and I have asked the suggestions of the students whether they have understood the concepts or not. I am just assessing them using this discussion forum. And for active learning strategies, I am also using a Mentimeter. This is a Mentimeter thing I have created, and this is what the questions I have created. And then I have also used the H5P, that is adding any interactive, to make my presentations to be interactive. I have added questions at each and every at particular time slots in my videos. So this is what I have did, and I have also show you what are all the grades that given to my students, and these are all my students, and I have posted questions. This is a quiz I have posted, so all the quiz are being listed here. So this is what I did. This is a quiz session, and also there is a discussion session is also there. So with this, the reflection of this online teaching is my students can able to get the content even more live, and they are also feeling that similar to that of physical classroom, and that is what I think the achievement of my class. Thank you.